Hello everyone, my name is Gloria. Welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are very highly welcome. Okay, so in today's video I want to elaborate more on how you can glow your skin naturally. Okay, even me, I can testify. All right, because this is my face, this is not how it was before. Okay, so applying little touch of natural remedies and other skincare routine really helped me a lot. Okay, and I'm sharing with you guys how you can afford this glowing skin without breaking the bank. But if you want to spice it up, you can also add other products to spice up your skin. Okay, so please do well to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and hit the notification bell so that you can get more notification when I bring you more videos. Okay, so let me address one issue. Looking glowing naturally, it means you have to be very serious in taking care of your skin. Yes, it is very important. We are very serious taking care of our skin, not doing it today and tomorrow you just maybe because you are tired or one or two issues, you just relent, you just stop doing it, and from there you stop doing it like that. You won't get a good result. Okay, and also you have to take it very seriously. You need to be very serious in doing this thing. So I'm sharing you 4 good tips that will help you to boost your natural glow as a man, as a woman, as a teenager, youth, matured lady. Don't worry, don't panic, I got you covered. Okay, so number one tip that you are going to look is hydration. Yes, hydration is very important, because taking in water, drinking water helps to remove bad toxins. It helps to flush the system. Okay, at least drinking at least 2 liters of water a day is very helpful, guys. Don't take it for granted. It is very helpful. You can also spice it up with yogurt, taking of grains, eating of vegetables, fruits, smoothies like cucumber, watermelon, kiwis, banana, oranges, and lots more, whichever you can think of. Okay, so it is very important that you do these things. It is very nice. So the number 2 is you have to use natural natural face product like face mask and face soaps, like turmeric, mixing of turmeric and honey, mixing of aloe vera and stuff like that. If you don't want to pass through that stress, for some people they might be tired or too lazy to go for the natural remedy, you can also go for the ready-made products. Okay, you can go for the ready-made products, and you can get affordable ones. Okay, affordable ones that will make your face glowing, or make your skin attractive. I'm telling you guys, it's a top notch. Okay, if you cannot go for the honey and turmeric the natural way, you can also go for the already made one, and it will give you the same results. Okay, it's just that using the natural remedy is for us to be on the safer side, for us to know what we are applying on our own skin. You understand? Yes, so it means no harm. There's no need for you to be scared. Just go either of the two and try it out. Okay, yes, so that's what you are supposed to do. Then the number 1 is you have to eat boosting food that will boost your glow. Yes, like avocados, like other fruits. You have to mix them, to spice it up with your diet, with your other food that you eat. Okay, at least in a week you can take them for 4 times or 3 times, because we know fruits are expensive. Even smoothie or parfait, they are expensive, but if you can take at least 2 or 3 times in a week, it will give you a glowing result, and you are going to love your skin, guys. not be joke. You are going to love your skin. Your skin will be popping. Your skin will be glowing. People will be complimenting you. Ah, babes, what are you using? Ah, bro, what are you using? Your skin is glowing. They enter my eye. Yes, that's what they were saying. Yes, guys. So if you have watched to this stage, you've not subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Please, please, please subscribe to my channel and what, give me a thumbs up. And you can also share to your loved ones and people around you that you know they are having pigmentation or they are trying to what, give their skin a little touch, okay? And I promise you that they are going to appreciate it, okay? They are going to what, follow up proper skincare, which is the last tips I'm going to give you in this video. I just want to make it short, okay? At least that you guys will not get tired or boring watching the video, because if it's too long, you understand. So that's why I want to rush it up to give you quick tips, which is 4 tips, okay? So you have to what, follow up your skincare properly. Follow up your skincare properly. So people just wake up in the morning, they won't apply any skincare routine on their face, they won't apply good lotions on their body, and they are going out entering the sun. So tell me, don't you know that the sun, too much of sun damages the skin? So that's why some people they use sunscreen. Also people they like using UV that will support their skin, that will protect their skin under the sun, you understand. So in the morning before going out, make sure you do your morning routine, and also in the evening before going to bed, make sure you do your evening routine, because you cannot go to bed with makeups on your face. You cannot go to bed applying those stuffs that you put on your face in the morning or in the afternoon when you're returning back or whatever. Anyhow, please just try and make sure you do your routine properly. You can apply lemon to your face, you can apply orange to your face, orange juice, you can apply cucumber, you can apply there are a lot of things that you can add to your face to spice it up, to glow it up, okay? Even if you cannot do that, you can also in the morning boil water, hot water, and use a towel as you dip the towel into the water and use it to clean your face, okay? Use it to clean your face, to remove to remove pores, to remove unwanted things that are not needed in your face, okay? Guys, I'm telling you, your skin will be popping. Under 2 weeks, under 14 days, I promise you, your skin will be popping. You will love your skin. You're gonna love your skin. So if you've watched me to this stage, guys, what are you waiting for? What are they waiting for now? I beg. You wanna support a girl now? Support your girl. In this channel, I bring you fertility updates, I bring you entertainment blogs, trending blogs. Just support me so that it will give me morale, to ginger me to be giving you good updates and qualities content, okay? Thank you guys. I love you all so much. You guys are here in my heart deeply, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Bye.